Good morning, Dan.
Right. Wow, we're rolling or what?
We're rolling.
Yeah, cool. So, all our wiring is done, as you can see. I think everything is done. Yeah, it looks pretty orderly, I guess. Our electrician did a fine job so far. On the sockets, well, he's put the wires through, and then he made it like with this tape, so that is airtight from inside. So he's done that to every single socket, and that's gonna make that's gonna help with the airtightness of the house. And these are the fine details that take a lot of time actually to do, but they are so important if you want.
And I don't think a lot of people tell you about it, do they?
I guess not. And the thing is, you don't see it. Nobody sees these kind of things. But these are such fine details which you don't want to miss, really.
It's the tiny things. There are a lot of, in a tiny home, there's a lot of tiny little details that you have to think
Yeah,
about.
exactly. Yeah. But if you're careful with these kind of details, then it's gonna make a difference, in time. This is gonna be the connection point for the whole house.
Yes.
So we're gonna install here a small box, and this is where you're gonna connect the house with electricity from wherever you bring it. And the water connections are also going to be in this area as well, I think, from underneath, because here we have the bathroom, and it just makes sense to have the water connection also here on this area. The main box is going to be inside in this area, because all the wires have to go through the main box, through the fuses and everything, of course. That's still to be done, actually. That's not yet finished, but it's gonna be soon. Right, so if you would like to come inside, as you can see, all our lights are well, they're not done, but all the holes and the wirings are gone through. And this is how it's looking so far. We're doing quite a lot of lights. We're doing these spotlights. We've got 2 there, 4 here on the main area of the house, and we've got 2 in each bedroom, and then we've got 2 here on the kitchen area, and 2 more in the bathroom. And as you can see, we've applied one coat of painting on our wooden boards. All the screw holes are covered up now, and so you've just got a flat surface, you got a neat surface, and we've also sanded it so it's nice and smooth. And basically we are now ready to apply 2 more coats of painting. So we're gonna do one today, hopefully, on the whole house, and then tomorrow we're gonna go through with the next coat of painting.
Do you want to say it or should I say it?
Okay, you can say it.
All right, cool. See you soon, guys. Stay tiny.
Stay tiny.